Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the phone so the upgrade can proceed without interruption. First, make sure battery is at least 50% and you have about 2 GB free, otherwise the process will abort. Then enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This lets tools talk to the device. Next, download the correct firmware for your exact model and put Odin on your PC. Once done, boot the phone into download mode so the PC can detect it and push the update. You now perform the core flashing steps, which require care. Open Odin on the PC, confirm the device appears in the ID, COM field, then load the firmware files into AP, BL, CP, and CSC exactly as labeled. If you do not need to repartition, do not use a PIT file. Wrong choices can brick the phone. Keep auto reboot and F. Reset time checked. Once everything is set and the device is recognized, click Start to begin, and watch the progress bar until you see pass. You finish by letting the phone complete its first boot. Be patient because the initial boot can take 5 to 10 minutes while apps optimize. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, power off and boot into recovery, then wipe cache and, if necessary, perform a factory reset. This often clears conflicts. If Odin reports fail, reconnect with a different USB port and use the original cable. Re-download the exact firmware for your model, and repeat the flash. Those steps fix most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.